Hey everyone, happy holidays. Welcome back to LG Queen Home Decor. My name is Linda and I hope you're all having an amazing day. Thank you for stopping by. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and bell button to turn on all notifications for when I upload a video. That way you're the first to see my newest video. I would love to have you part of our YouTube family. Today I'm thrilled to help you decorate your home for the holidays and will be featuring my second Christmas Decorate With Me video this season. I'll be showing more rooms I decorated in my home, and stay tuned for a glamorous giveaway. You will also see multiple elegant and luxurious Dollar Tree DIY projects that really made these spaces extra special. I'm so excited to share today's giveaway. I'm going to be giving away and mailing one of these beautiful and glamorous makeup brush sets to one winner today as a thank you for being here. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment below, and share this video with someone you know who could use some holiday cheer. The winner will only be announced in my description box 1 week from today to avoid any scams. Now stay tuned throughout. Each moment of this video is for you all. Let's get started. My husband wanted to do a few DIYs in today's video, and for this first DIY project, he has this mirror box from the at-home store, but the Dollar Tree has mirror squares. You can make a similar box out of it, just place it on top of a single one. He's going to be making a small hole to feed thread through to tie onto the tree. You could use just each half of this snowflake piece, but he ended up gluing them together to create a unique and large ornament for just $2.50. This can really help fill the tree, especially for larger ones. I love how my husband's DIYs turned out. They're super cute and easy to make, so I highly recommend you trying them out. Now I'm going to make a Dollar Tree DIY that would look great in your kitchen and also make a great gift idea. I want to thank all of my supporters who stayed to the end and watched every segment of today's video. I'd love to hear what your favorite part was. I hope in today's video you found ideas, motivation, and inspiration to help you decorate for the holidays this season. If you haven't seen my last Christmas Decorate With Me video I just uploaded where I decorated my entire downstairs, I'll leave the link here on the screen for quick access. You definitely don't want to miss out on this one. Until then, I'll talk to you on my next one. Take care.